Come and see my mini farm. My little cutie farm. See them. They grow so fast. If you want to see how I used to train them, you can follow for more, okay? Then you see more of this. You'll be seeing more of this often because I do this every morning. So I'm trying to change the water. Sometimes I will just put that water maybe 2 days before I will change it again. See the garlic, I put this garlic for them because of anything like infection. And you know garlic is antibiotics, so it prevents any kind of infection that will come to them. So for the garlic, you can see wash it and we use it again. If the garlic is still okay, it's not soft. But if the garlic is already soft, you can throw it away and put another garlic inside. You know, we too, we always drink garlic too now. We eat garlic, so we know the work of garlic, what garlic does in the body. So the same thing with the animals too. What's that? We want to see if they have already they have laid any egg. Okay. In this place. Oh yeah, come. Put it. Come on. See. This is just one. Go here. You bite my hand. So in my next video, I will be posting how I incubate the eggs, okay? So follow for more, like and share. If you see this video, share it. Let people see learn. We are learning together. You never can tell. There are some people out there still wants to do something like this, but they don't have the opportunity to do it because they don't know how to start. So with this video now, you can easily help them to start.